Ever wonder how money changes hands across borders? Here is how currency exchange works in the global market. The foreign exchange market, or forex, is where currencies from different countries are traded against each other. This is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars changing hands every single day. Exchange rates are not random. They fluctuate based on economic health, interest rates, and global investor confidence. Most countries allow their currency to float freely, but some governments choose to peg their value to another currency. Some currency pairs are more stable than others. This volatility impacts everything from travel costs to international business profits. Ultimately, the exchange rate is just a reflection of what one country's currency is worth compared to another. Understanding currency exchange helps you grasp how the global economy connects. Thanks for watching and stay curious.